if you're experiencing the FIFA 24 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to playing your game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Power off your gaming console or PC completely, then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by holding the power button until the console shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the FIFA 24 folder in your documents and deleting the cache files. Step 4. Reconnect to EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can help re-establish the connection to the cloud saves and potentially resolve the error. Step 5. Contact EA support. If the issue persists, reach out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or solutions tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying FIFA 24. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support teams.